welcome back into this channel. So today I want to share the tutorials how to control the volume of your audio so that it's not gonna be like weaker compared to the sound of your clip, or it's not gonna be stronger compared to your clip's sound. So here I already have my clip, I already have the audio on my project, and let's have a test first. Okay, if you can hear it now, the sound of the audio is quite stronger compared to the sound of the videos. Now the things that we need to do is just click the audio sections, and then there is a volume features of it over here. Just click it, and then we can adjust it. Since it sounds a little bit stronger compared to the video, let's make it slower by hold and drag it into the left side. Okay, let's make it like 30. Okay, let's make it at 30. Hold on. All right. Okay, 31 is okay. And then after you're done with it, just click check over here, and then let's have a test. Okay, if you still feel that the sound is still weaker, let's make the audio of the clip a bit stronger by click the audios. By click the clip and then click the volume features over here, and then click it, and then make it make the sound of the clip like stronger by drag and hold into the right side. Let's make it like 500. Okay, for 99 is okay too. After you adjust it, just click check over here and done. And now let's have a test how it works. Okay, it's better. So that's all for today's tutorial. Don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.